Oh yeah, yeah. I just wish I had more game time, but we're getting a lot of games fast, so it's not so bad. Because it's one round game, so we get to hit all the fields, even though, like, you know.
We go again, though.
Yeah, we're eventually going to hit the fields again. What time is it now?
Like 1 something?
It's still early. We got hours of daylight left. And I got my gun working. I should really break out my pistols for kicks. I think I might, at least one game. No, I just want to play. I might want to try my pistol other than skirmish.
I think we should all try to move towards the left.
Dude, man, look at this, man. You
got some cover over here, though.
Yeah, that's a good cover.
Alright, so I feel like playing in the plane.
Yeah.
I'm going to be in there.
I think
I'm going for the plane.
Key, though, is that goddamn plane. Yeah, I'm staying right
if you got the plane, you got good cover.
Alright, yeah. So someone going.
So we need somebody on that.
I'm gonna jump in the plane somewhere.
So someone
I'll probably jump in.
someone go plane and then someone cover him over there.
Be careful, you can get hit.
Yeah, go plane, I'll cover you in the right.
I got two over here on the left. Watch it, watch it. How? You got someone over there? Go, go, go. Oh my God! Why are we shooting each other? Oh.
My gun jam.
Yeah?
Yeah. Then you got me right in the pocket. Nice shot. Game over! Yeah, I was like,
You won? Yep. I used half a pod. Something like that. These games are going by fast, dude.
I know.
yo, when did he become not big?
So who came across.
These games are going fast.